everybody, my name is Wendy Davis. I'm co-owner and co-founder of Berry Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about knees. So the knee is the meeting place for four bones in the body. You have the thigh bone or the femur, you have the shin bone or the tibia, you have the fibula, which comes all the way down and forms part of the ankle, and you have the kneecap or the patella. Now connecting the kneecap to the thigh bone is the quadriceps femoris muscle, and connecting the kneecap to your shin bone is the patella tendon. Now then, when you stand, the patella should track smoothly up and smoothly down from sitting to standing. If it does a little bit of a wiggle as it goes up and down, it could be a sign of some imbalance happening around the knee. The most common cause that we find here in the practice is an imbalance in the muscles that control the knee, particularly the quadricep muscles, the hamstring muscles and the calf muscles. If there's an imbalance or a tightness in any of these, it can cause problems into the knee. So our first port of call is always to stretch these muscles out before we strengthen them. So today I'm going to teach you 3 easy stretches to do to help with your knee complaints. The first stretch we're going to talk about is the stretch for the quadricep muscles. Now for this, you need to be standing and you need to be holding onto something. Don't do this balancing. If you're balancing, you can create, it's really hard to stretch out a muscle if you're trying to balance at the same time. So hold on to something for support. For me, I'm just going to hold on to this lectern here. All we're going to do is we're going to grab the foot. If you find it too hard to do that, grab the back of your trousers and then keep your knees together. Keep your knees together and pull your heel of your bottom, heel towards your bottom. Hold this position for 12 seconds. And then release, and I always say do the other side as well. Do 3 lots on this side and 3 lots on this side. If you did that 3 times a day, it'll really help stretch out the knees. Make sure that you keep your knees together, that you're not doing this, that you're not pulling, sort of like you're not pulling, I'm going to just balance for a second against you, that you're not doing it this way, that you are keeping your knees together. You'll feel a nice stretch going on the top part of the knee. So hold that stretch, the magical muscle stretching time of 12 seconds. Once you stretch out the quadricep muscles, a really great exercise is to stretch out your hamstrings. For this, I always tend to say get 2 chairs. If you sit on one chair and the other one, you're going to put your foot up on top of the other chair. You should feel a lovely stretch going on the back of your thigh here. Again, hold the stretch for 12 seconds, the magical muscle stretching time, and you feel a lovely stretch going on the back here. Once you stretch that for 12 seconds, you can add in a stretch for the calf muscles, and all you do is reach forward and just gently pull your toes back. And you should feel a lovely stretch developing in the under part of your calf muscle. Hold that stretch for 12 seconds and then release, and the same again. So if you do this one 3 times for 12 seconds and this one for 3 times for 12 seconds, and then swap over and do exactly the same on this side, feel a nice stretch developing around the back of the hamstring. Hold for 12 seconds, then after 12 seconds, gently pull the toes towards you, feel a nice stretch happening underneath the calf muscle. Hold for 12 seconds and release, and do 3 lots of 12 on this side and 3 lots of 12 on this one. And if you did it 3 times a day, your body would absolutely thank you for it. And as of course with all these stretches, make sure that you chat to a professional before you attempt them, because it's really, really important to make sure that these are well suited for you and that they're going to help you. So make sure you chat to a professional before you attempt these stretches. But as I said, the ones that if you do this on a regular basis, your body will thank you for it. So those are my top 3 stretches for your knees. Stretch out your quadricep muscles, stretch out your calf muscles, and stretch out your hamstrings, and your knees will be very, very grateful for it. All right then guys, have a great day. See you later. Bye.